In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Facebook Pixel to Webflow. So first thing you need to do is from your Webflow dashboard, click on the three-dotted icon to view options. After that, you have to click on Settings. Now, go to Apps and Integration section. You'll be able to see it from the left. Then you have your scroll down to the Meta, previously Facebook Pixel section. So you just go and click Next. Then enter your Meta Pixel ID. Then consider enabling delay for cookie consent and adding a cookie consent in your project to be GDPR compliant. Then click on Save on the top right corner, just here. Then a pop-up will confirm your changes are saved. So publish site, save update, publish your site for changes to take effect. And then publish your project to push the changes. That's it. That's how to add Facebook Pixel to your Webflow.